one time I left some tissues in the pocket of my running pants, and then I washed it without realizing. Oh boy, did that make a mess. Oh, can you hang on a sec while I put my shoes on? Not again. It's the same stupid prank every time. Talk about unoriginal. At least my shoes are safe. Going that far would have been crossing the line. After the first few times, I stopped counting. I was pissed off at first, but eventually I just got used to it. Getting worked up about this would just tire me out. It's not worth it. But if I catch her in the act, I am fully prepared to grab her and teach her a lesson. That was a joke, okay? I'm a nice girl, really. Come on, let's go. So I figured this might be a good time to update our team uniform. What do you think of switching to running tights? They say it reduces wind resistance.
Hey, look over there! It's Nishiwaki-san. Is that your new boyfriend? On to the next one already, I see. Impressive, Nishiwaki-san.
We're not dating. He's just a friend from the team.
Come on. No need to act all polite in front of him. Just tell it how it is. I'm surprised you could even get such a handsome guy. Maybe I should become a team manager too.
You've got it all wrong, as usual.
Don't do it. You'll just be running around after everyone all day. And it's not very attractive for a girl to be so muscular, you know? Not so loud. Her boyfriend's like right here. I kind of feel bad for her.
If that's really what you want to do, I won't stop you. But you're better off looking for a boyfriend elsewhere. A manager is a busy job. You won't have time to go around sticking gum on people's shoe lockers.
What on earth are you talking about? I haven't got a clue what that means.
Of course not. It was just a random example. What's wrong? Did I say something to offend you?
Not at all. Hey, let's just go already.
Sorry you got dragged into that. No, you shouldn't have to deal with that. Sorry. I should probably fill you in before you get the wrong idea about me. Let's go sit down. That girl in the black tights, we went to the same middle school. Back then, there was this boy on the basketball team who asked me out, and we started dating. But turns out, he was seeing her at the same time. When she found out, she said I stole her boyfriend. Even though I was a victim too. She blamed me because I was the manager of the basketball team. Isn't that just ridiculous? And after I became the track team manager here in high school, that set her off on me again. But really, all I want to do is support others so they can be the best they can be. Remember the gum on my locker? That was probably her doing. She's definitely the type to hold a grudge. Oh, those girls have way too much time on their hands. All they do is complain and gossip. Why don't they do something more productive? They're the ones who should get a lecture from Makoto. You're not putting enough thought into your future. Tell that to them, not me. Oh, that reminds me. Sorry for what they said about you. I called you my boyfriend. This made you feel awkward, huh? Hey, you! How can you say that with a straight face? And how many other girls have you used that line on, huh? When it comes to relationships, you should never play with a woman's emotions. Oh, right. Make sure you don't tell Kaz or anyone else about the two-timing thing, okay? You're the only one I've told. Oh, also, I broke up with that two-timing jerk a long time ago. Just so you know, you might be thinking, so what, right? Yeah, what am I saying? Wow, that dragged on. It's late. We should be getting home. I'll see you soon.
You're back.
Senpai, I hear you made a full recovery.
Congrats, man!
I gotta catch up on my training. I've basically been slacking off for a whole month.
Shouldn't you take it easy, though? You don't want to re-injure your arm.
I've already wasted enough time. Besides, we found another Persona user.
We did? Sweet! Are they a girl?
Yeah, she's a second year who goes to our school. Fuka Yamagishi. Do you guys know her?
Yamagishi? I think she's in Class E. I don't see her at school very much. She gets sick a lot, from what I heard.
She was at the same hospital as me. That's how we found out about her. But considering her health, she probably won't be able to fight. It's too bad. We already had an evoker ready for her, too.
What? We're giving up on her already? But I was gonna offer her some private lessons. Why are you looking at me like that? Come on. Let's just quit it, okay? Hey! Right?
Oh, right.
So dance, if you wanna go ahead. Free to do whatever, I'm chilling on my bed. I'm out in my biz, so mind your
Is
own
that
biz.
right?
Whatever like is, we gon' flow with the set. Hey, 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 feeling the fire with the burning desire every day. We're inspired, but never expires. But we gon' chill
Yes.
today. Let me rock the world tomorrow, you know.
All right, it's finally time. I know we've put a lot on you guys, but that's over now. Don't worry, I'm in perfect condition. I almost feel sorry for our enemy. Well, just give me a chance and you'll see. I'll make up for all that time I lost before you know it. Plus, I've got to show my stuff as one of the veteran members. Just make sure to put me in the advanced team.
Oh my! Marvelous! I'm looking forward to it. Are you accepting a request? Wonderful. Is that true? Let's hear the results. Wonderful. Oh my, you've already... Wonderful. You have my thanks. By all means. Come to think of it, by all means, you must know. I will await a report. Oh, yes! By all means. Oh, yes! By all means. I shall be waiting then. Of course. Very well then. Welcome to the Velvet Room.
Ah, which will you choose?
This power might be too much for you. This persona is powerful. This would be a wise choice. This power might be too much for you. This would be a wise choice. This persona is powerful. This persona is powerful. You can't control this one yet. Is this acceptable? This would be a wise choice.
It is a special...
This would be a wise choice. Very well. We look...
Come on, let's get this show on the...
We don't see that kind of chest often. Let's not pass it up.
Enemy spotted. Let's take him down.
Time to show you what I got!
Now's the time. Help me!
Can't stop me now!
I'll go with it.
I'll take care of this. All right, it's my turn. Let's go! Holy gooses!
In this situation, no way!
Yuri's taken one down. All right, you won.
It's over.
Great work out there.
Went off without a hitch. Let's get going.
We got our...
All right, we have the advantage. In this situation.
Let's see.
Enemy down. Keep that up,
Give 'em
Yori.
hell. Suck on that!
Not bad.
Let us have it, fellas! The ultimate swing! Did you see that? Nailed it! Nice going, Junpei.
That chest.
Found the stairs. Wanna head up?
Let's see.
Okay, let's head out.
There's a shadow.
We got the upper hand.
Pull the trigger. Ew!
It missed?
Can't stop me now. Timing! Come, Persona!
Nicely done. Enemy eliminated. Nicely done. Enemy eliminated.
Let's wrap this up.
Akihiko took out one target.
Don't think so.
Hell yeah!
You won.
Piece of
Great
cake.
work out there.
All right.
one of those chests. Enemy spotted. Let's take him down.
Time for a fight. Now's the time. Ew!
You've been distracted.
What's the plan?
The enemy's down.
What's
Good
next?
hit. The enemy's down.
What's the
Good
plan?
hit.
Stuck on deck! One more to go!
That's two fewer than before. Good job, Iori. All right, the enemy's down. You won. Now let's move on.
Alright, now, back to business. One teleporter sighted! They'll take us back to the entrance, but I'm down to keep going.
Let's keep going.
Hey, let's loot that chest!
This shouldn't be a problem.
In this situation,
Nice one, Yuka-san!
here we go! Yes, we did it!
Ha!
Hey, there's a treasure chest.
All right, let's do this.
Help me!
You've been knocked down. Get up quickly.
How dare you!
Takeba's down. She needs backup.
Let's see. Let's go!
Excellent. You're back up.
Shadows all mass destruction.
Who's gonna win this? We're doing good.
Akihiko took out one
now.
target.
In this situation,
That'll help.
Fears cut deep within the gun. You can put your fate, destiny into the tomb. Hardest thing to do is changing who you are now to who you want to be soon. There's a side that's ready. Whoever make it out may be ready for the battle. Still, you better be ready. Not only waiting, but the rest.
Stay focused.
Akihiko took out one target.
Nice one, Yuka-san!
This shit ended.
Agitates the violence.
You're finished.
Moment of truth, there ain't no.
We did it.
That certainly went well.
Doesn't that one look pretty...
This will be a difficult battle. Stay
Pull the trigger.
focused.
Never blame out. Reality, never be charity. Enemy, fight. Mom's not here, gonna fight. All night,
Give 'em
right here,
hell.
Shadow 10 o'clock direction. Seize the moment, they destroy the nation. Give me motivation. Get on the ride.
I'll go with.
Spit out all over. Round looking from the stone, coming in crowd. Watch out the moon, they diss it out. Guess what this sound? A bomb so ground. So round up, don't ease your pace, cause enemy's brutal. Moment of truth, there ain't no truce.
Unicorn!
But the battle goes on.
I'll take care of this.
I have to do this.
Seriously?
Hachima's down. She needs backup.
What to do? Who's gonna win this?
Do it, Polygoon! We can't go down now. We cannot pass this up.
Put your feet down. You are now to who you wanna be soon. First enemies
It's
inside us
payback
ready.
time.
Whoever make it out may be ready for the battle. It's fearless.
Pull the trigger.
Not only winning, but the losing. No, it brings experiences for a bigger win later. Persevere for the greater good. Imagine later.
won't lose.
Agitates the violence.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
That was close.
So who we up against? Vicious and brutal. No truce. You only want one world, one love. But the battle goes on. Shadows hold mass.
Let's see.
Let's go.
I'll go with.
Come!
I'll take care of this. I've got this.
What next? Come first, Persona!
Can't stop me now. Chimera!
Who's gonna win this?
I've been waiting for this. Everyone, follow my lead.
Give me motivation. Spit out all over. Round looking from the stone, coming in crowd. Watch out the moon, they dish it out. Guess what this sound? The bomb so ground.
You won. Now let's move on.
One world.
All right then, moving on. Oh, there!
Let's see.
We gotta keep moving.
We got ourselves a shadow here.
Four
Prepare
targets
yourself.
detected.
have to do
Don't
this.
lose focus.
I won't lose.
What's next?
Conquerors now face reality. Never be changed. The enemy cover soul society. Mom's not here.
Who's gonna win this?
All night right here. Shadow 10 and I cloud direction. Persona! Destroy the nation. Round so motivation. Yeah, now, get on the ride. Round the progress, all over.
That's gonna hit me.
Successful dodge from Akihiko. Impressive as always.
Surround up, ease your pace, cause enemies brutal. Moment of truth, there ain't no truce. You're the only one world, one love. But the battle goes in shadows, so mass destruction.
I can read you like a book.
What next? Help me! We can do it!
Takeba took out 2 of them. Keep going. Iori's been knocked down. Someone cover for him.
How the hell did you
Iori's in a
miss
bad
me?
spot.
I'll give him hell. Persona! One more to go!
Cut deep within the gun.
Iori's taken one down.
I'll take care of this.
Hardest thing to do. You born out to who you born to be. First thing
Never
is
blame
decide
out.
it's ready. Whoever make it out, stay be ready for the battle. It's clear. Be ready, not only ready, but the losing. No, it brings.
All right, you won. Great work out there.
Good imagine.
It's important to know when to call it quits. Especially in a long fight.
We can keep going. Right, dude?
There's a chest.
Detecting 3 targets. Take them out.
In this situation,
The enemy's down.
What next?
Good hit.
they won't lose.
That hit the enemy's weakness. You're doing great, Takeba.
That was close.
Excellent. Takeba dodged the attack. That's 2 fewer than before. Good job, Iori.
A solid war. Went off without a hitch. Let's get going.
Hey, it's the stairs.
That will take us to the entrance. Should we head back?
Takeba is severely exhausted. Perhaps we ought to head back. It's a treasure chest.
Shadow up ahead. Taking it out.
We got the upper hand.
You have the first move.
What's the plan? Timing!
Enemy down. Keep that
Give
up,
him
Iori.
hell. Suck on that!
All
Hell
right,
yeah!
you won.
Piece of
Great
cake.
work out there.
Yeah! Who's up next?
Enemy spotted. Let's take him down.
Detecting 3 targets. Take them out. Two down. Great hit, Takeba. That hit the enemy's weakness. You're doing great, Takeba. Iori's been knocked down. Someone cover for him.
Yeah, I'm just getting started.
Brilliant.
What's the
Back in
plan?
the fight.
Let's go!
That's 2 fewer than before. Good job, Iori. Well done. Let's continue exploring.
That was a good workout. Shadow up ahead. We taking it out?
Four targets detected. Don't lose focus. Iori's been knocked down. Someone cover for him.
Yeah, I'm just getting started. Let's see.
You look worn out. This might be your only chance to fix it.
Let's go!
I'll go with.
Angel!
All right, the enemy's down.
Angel!
The enemy's down. Good hit.
I can handle it.
Do it.
Roger that.
Your health is low. Do something before you get hit.
Help me. Last two.
Good. That's 2 at once.
In this situation.
Appreciate it. Can't stop me now.
You won.
Justice
Now let's
wins
move on.
again.
Takeba, don't push yourself too hard.
I'm running low on stamina.
Hey, let's loot that chest.
Now's the time. What next? Persona!
I'll go with. This is it.
All right, the enemy's down.
Chimera!
All right, the enemy's down.
I'll go with. Never mind.
I'm ready.
It's all you.
I'll take care of this. I'll accuse him.
That was also an option, huh?
Everyone, follow my lead. Just like we planned. Good teamwork, everyone. Found the stairs. Wanna climb up?
shadow looks way too strong.
This will be a difficult battle.
Now's the time.
Stay focused.
What's the plan? Let's do this! Persona! Now! Let us have it, fellas!
Nice work.
How we do this?
What to do?
This is our chance. You're on the roll.
Better quit those teams!
In this situation,
Can't stop me now!
Not bad. One step at a time. Do it, Polly, do this!
that was awesome, Sonata-senpai!
We cannot pass this up! Knockout blow! This is over. You still, huh?
Good teamwork, everyone. Now on to the next.
Careful. The enemy's nearby. Oh, that reminds me. All right.
Hell yeah!
This opponent looks tough. Be on your guard.
Now's the time.
Can't stop me now! Let's go!
I'll take care of this. How we do this?
What next? They won't lose. How dare you!
Not good. You've been knocked down. Yori's been knocked down. Someone cover for him.
Not like this.
Not
Helga's
just
been
get
knocked down.
started.
Can you get her up?
Can't let this go to waste!
I owe you one.
Nice work.
Let's go!
What to do?
situation.
Thanks.
That was close.
Akihiko's down. Someone do something.
What's next?
We're just getting started.
That's it, Akihiko.
best bet.
Just keep that going.
Go, Polygoon!
Unicorn!
Pull the trigger. Not good. You've been knocked down. Excellent.
miss me?
Hakiba dodged the attack.
Let's see. Go for it, Ernie! Let's beat him! Here it's done for!
One step at a time.
This should help. What to do? Not that. Here we go.
Right, now's the time.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
What's the plan? Persona!
Who's gonna win this?
Persona!
This is our...
Get ready.
Akihiko's defense is
In this
reduced.
situation.
Appreciate
That was close.
Seriously? Takeba's down. She needs backup. Takeba's been knocked down. Can you get her up?
Now's my chance!
Thanks. Your defense was
One
reduced.
step at a
Watch
time.
out.
Go, Polygoon! Cancel! Everyone, follow my lead.
You won. Now let's move on.
I think I'm getting stronger.
All right. Is this... All right. Yes.
Good day. Are you accepting a request? Let's hear the results. I shall be waiting then. Very well.
Yes.
Hey, so...
Yo, what's up?
Seriously?
Oh, welcome back.
What is it?
Yeah,